Here's 01, what we have actually done in the control do. Okay, in the previous lecture, what we did was we studied about various allocations, methods, which were distributions, uh, periodic reposting, assessments, and indirect activity allocations. Okay. So now what we'll do is create some more cost centers, create SKFs, also create reposting transaction number ranges. Okay. We'll do this. We'll have a short one today. Okay. Okay. S ZAP 9 is 01 ZPC ZPC 100 ZPC 104 master data. Category will be allocations. Allocation because from cafeteria it will be allocated to other cost centers. Hierarchy area. Save. Enter. Next is K and K. Okay. ZAP 9. Change groups. And we'll find a transaction. Statistical key figures. Now, statistical key figures are the metrics for transferring from one cost center to another. ZAP 9 is what we've already made. Reposting cost, reposting revenue, line items, now statistical key figures. Save. Okay. Next is RKIU. Action overhead assessment. Find element group. ZAP 9. Save. Okay. In case 01, this is statistical key figure. Employee. Master data. What is this basically? That will apply to cafeteria. Okay. Cafeteria to repost cost from cafeteria to other cost centers. Okay. KB31N 01. Statistical key figure ZPC 102 quantity cost centers at the cafeteria. Post giving measurements for statistical cost center will be having lunch or dinner measurement here. 902. Okay, because the same number range was assigned. Okay. Now, next is FS00. SAP9. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll create, continue, and this will be primary cost of revenue, secondary cost, cafeteria, Okay, cost element category will be what it will be. Secondary cost. Sorry, it is secondary cost, not primary, because then it is internal to controlling, and we will have a category of 42. That is not available with primary. Okay. T02. Okay. T01, which is the field status group. Save the cafeteria charges internally in the controlling area from cafeteria common cost center to the receiving cost centers. Okay, that is a process. Okay, continue further. Okay, because this is a little complex discussion. Let's not overload you.